Hello everybody, Mike from Disassembly Tractor. We just got done doing a 7140 Magnum here, the good old classic Case IH. These are some sweet tractors. If you remember a while back, we did a 7140 a couple years back for a customer. That was the first one off the production line, sold it to the John Q public, and they also use that same tractor around the country for all the farm shows to promote their new Magnum series. So this one here is for the same customer. This one's not going to be going to his museum like the other one. Actually, he's got a handful of Magnums in his museum along with a lot of other international tractors. This one here is actually going to go back on the farm again and get used. This one here was his first Magnum. This is the one that made him fall in love with the Magnum series. They really are nice tractors. So this one here does a lot of round baling for his beef herd, and it does rotary mooring for the pastures. So this one here in general is pretty nice shape, but your normal wear and tear, incidental stuff. You know, the plastic shields got fatigue cracked over the years. This tractor was painted once before by somebody, but they didn't take nothing apart. They painted off the tractor all together. That's not the way I do paint jobs. So we took off all the fenders, the hood, the side shields here. We took all off the engine compartment shields. The door came off. We got all the red off, basically the roof off, everything came off. And then we cleaned her all up good, painted the black. She got all brand new cab interior because it's normal old wear and tear cab interior. New seat. The interior was the plastic pieces were pretty nice shape, but we cleaned them up and we hand painted all the symbols and emblems like they should be back in the day. From wear and tear, the paint got worn off. The cab interior light we had to replace, that was not working properly. This one here had a couple headlights that were not working, so we replaced them. And then also the rear upper fuel tank, the hose that connects the lower fuel tank and the rear fuel tank, that hose was dripping a little bit. So we replaced that hose and got it so she doesn't leak no more. And also when we took that rear tank out, there was normal dust and debris got in between there, so we cleaned it all out and stuff, and prepped the fuel tank along with these fenders, plastic fenders that she came with. We prepped them and primed them and painted them like you're supposed to with plastic parts, so paint adheres to it. We put the tank back in again, put the fenders back on again. We had the hood off, all that, and when we did that, we cleaned her all up really good. We painted the outside and that. The inside, we just got a little overspray. We didn't go quite as extreme as the other Magnum. If you look at my YouTube video, you'll see that one. We had to have some custom decals made up because Case IH don't have all the warning labels no more available. Other than that, and the PTO assembly, that we rebuilt that. The PTO seals were leaking, so we took it apart. Well, you might as well rebuild it all right away. So she got all new clutch packs and new pistons in there because she does a lot of PTO work with baling and rotary mowing. So now's the time to do it when you got all out. She got all new fluids, new filters. So yeah, she turned out pretty sweet. She got urethane paint again. So it really pops a nice shine, and it's long durability paint. It's some really good stuff. We've had very, very good luck with this stuff. The rear tires had fluid in them at one time, so when we demounted the tires, you can see she had salt water in there. So we sandblasted, primed the paint, the insides, and out to all 6 wheels. The rear wheels, we put them back on again. The front ones, they were almost like new, but the one had a cut in it for some reason, so we replaced the fronts again. So she's got all nice looking new tires, except for the duals, they're a little worn down a little bit, but not serious. We had to replace a couple battery cables. They were normal wear and tear, fatigued, corroded away, so we replaced them. Stuff is kind of getting harder to get from Case IH. Some stuff's available, but not all the stuff. We had to get a few used parts from a salvage yard. As you can look at the rear wheels, you can see we put new bolts on from taking the duals on off. The bolts got stretched a little bit, so we put all new hardware on there again. So that way it should be ready for them to farm for many years to come, and should be ready to rock and roll. And now they can drive in the field with some proud Magnum lovers because they got a beautiful looking tractor. So if you haven't seen my YouTube video, you'll see I got a lot of other videos of different tractors, mostly older ones, but I do have a couple newer ones now. If you have any restoration comments or questions or need help wanting us to do your tractor, you can call us at 920-894-2134. It's 920-894-2134. And like I said before, you can check out our YouTube video. We got a bunch of videos on there. And also I have a Facebook page. That's all Disassembly Tractor. On the Facebook page, I'll try to download some pictures of this restoration while we work on this tractor. And as you can see on the other tractors, I have a lot of different pictures too. So thanks for watching, and give me a call if you have any restoration needs.